Welcome to the branding of Cassie Davie Designs. Because I'm a visual comm major, I have really learned about how to do vector, how to do photography, more vector, more photography. And before this class and this project, I'd never taken the time to brand myself or to brand my work and start to use that as a way to bring in some income. So for this class, I was able to create from scratch both a Facebook page and an Instagram for Cassie Davie Designs. And Instagram now has 271 followers and Facebook has 133. I hope to continue to grow that even as this class ends. The first project we did in this class was our brand identity project. And I just put together a little summary of the most important parts of my brand and logo brainstorming. And then what logos I came up with and the colors. This project just really helped me be able to unify everything. So whether it's graphic design, vector, or photography, it is starting to become easier to tell that it's my work because there are certain things that are always going to be the same in them. And it just really upped the presentation of my Facebook and Instagram because there is a style, there is a brand. Our second project was the article promotion. My article is all about doing what you love and finding passion. I like the image that I used. I do wish that the red read a little bit easier and I picked a different color with that. And I also think I should have done a better teaser, especially on Instagram. I think it was a little hard to read. And if I could change things, that is what I would do differently. Our second project was the native video. And I really loved my video, but on accident, I made it more of an advertisement, and the story was like too deep, too in between the lines to notice, especially because most people don't want to watch videos over and over again to figure out what they're about. So I am actually going to go through and change that and then repost it because I like the images and the animation. I just need to make the story more obvious. Our third project was the paid ad. And this was a lot of fun. I have always wanted to run an ad, learn more about targeting and how to do it, and to see the results of that. And this helped me gain that experience so that I can do this again. There are so many things that I learned from this class, but probably the first and the most important is the power of planning and a Gantt chart. It keeps you on track, it holds you accountable, it lets you see from the beginning everything you need to do. Second lesson is that social media is the way of the world, no matter your business. If you want to be successful at anything, you're going to have a social media presence and engage people there. And the sooner you learn that, the more successful you'll be. The last thing that I learned is that quality content is the key. You can post a lot, but if it's not quality stuff, no one's going to engage. Thank you.